Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is gonna be another exciting video as I will be going to DIY another denim jacket. If you have subscribed to me for a long time, or if you have seen my previous video, I DIY'd my denim jacket. I made it a south side serpent jacket, and if you haven't watched it, I will leave an eye on the screen so you can go watch it. So yeah, I'm going to DIY another denim jacket today, but this time it's gonna be my sister's. So we will be writing her Instagram username on the jacket, and we have the letters. Let me show you the letter. I have shown you these letters in my previous video as well. This is just an E. We have the whole username like Cheeky Dimples, so we have it all. So right now we are just trying to figure out in what pattern we want to lay out the words, and she's working on that right now, but I will show you the whole process. Like mine was a स्टिगर जो हीट करके इट गॉट स्टिक्ड ऑन. वी यूज आयरन एंड आयरन करी उस पर अच्छे से, तो वो अच्छे से स्टिक हो गया था. बट दीज आर स्टिगर्स. आई थिंक ये हमें ग्लू ही करना पड़ेगा. सो आई हैव अ ग्लू. आई विल ट्राई कि उससे वो हो जाए अच्छे से. बट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So this is how we have laid out first to try how it looks. That's my sister's hands and toes. So yeah, these are the cheeky dimples letters we got. We haven't sticked them right now, but we are trying the patterns we can. So this one is the first one, and now we will try another layout, and I will show you the another one. So this is the second layout which we thought of. So in the first one, the cheeky was written over here. So what do you guys think? हमें first करना चाहिए या second? Comment down below. Although हम कर चुके होंगे, but still. So we are really confused right now कि हमें cheeky ऊपर रखना चाहिए या नीचे. So we are thinking. So this is how the jacket looks. By the way, when it's worn, it's wrinkled. We haven't ironed it obviously, but this is a loose denim jacket, so we are very confused of where do we have to stick the letters. But yeah, so we are going with the first layout. We are just laying out the word cap letters which we first laid out, like cheeky over here and dimples over here. So she's just laying out for an idea कि हमें कहाँ कौन से letter चिपकाना है. And I'm using this glue, Fevicol All Fix Clear Non-Staining All-Purpose Adhesive. So I hope it works. So this is the rough layout which we have planned, and I think I'm gonna move an eye little here. So let's start sticking the letters on. So we have successfully pasted our first letter, and she is moving on to the second one. I'm just a volunteer in this video because it's her jacket mainly, so I really don't want to spoil it and get scolded. So far the glue is sticking on perfectly. We are just pressing it more just to make it more secure. Also, I really love the quality of these alphabets. The threading and all is so good. Always put adequate glue to make sure that it's gonna stick on and it's gonna hold. So I think I'm gonna just fast forward this process because it's gonna be boring till we'd go till the S there. So we are done with gluing all the alphabets over. So we are gonna just leave it for a few minutes and let them dry properly. We are gonna put some weight over the letters like these diary and things, books, so it's gonna press properly. So we'll be back in a few minutes. So this is the final outcome. The letters have sticked on properly, and I think the jacket looks amazing and so stylish, and I think my sister's happy with it too. So yeah, that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please tell me about how you liked it in the comment section down below. Also, I will see you next time on with another exciting video. Also, go follow her on Instagram. Her Instagram handle is, you can see it very well, Cheeky Dimples. So go follow her there. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.